Ah, that's better.
We would like to thank everybody for your support, everyone here tonight as well. Thank you so much for supporting. Thank you so much for supporting us. If you didn't know, we only started a few years ago. Things just kind of took off at lightning speed, and we didn't even realize it. And so now we're here, standing before thousands of people, doing what we love most. Thank you to our families for keeping us grounded. Thank you to everybody who supports the arts. And most importantly, would like to thank our people. If you didn't know, you couldn't tell by our brown faces, we are in fact Samoan. We're very proud of who we are and where we come from because Samoa is a really, really tiny set of islands, pretty much out in the middle of nowhere. And every time we go over to the UK or to France, Germany, places like those, we ask people, do you know where Samoa is? Because they're always asking, where are you from? Do you know where Samoa is? They say, no. Not really.
We go, do you know where Hawaii is? And they go, yes! We're like, yeah, we're from Hawaii.
Like I said, we're very proud of where we come from, and so we want to share with you this song that means a lot to us.
We are Samoa.
Our Samoa, the greatest place of all. She is green and blue, lush with beauty, hearts as pure as gold. Touch someone with tears of joy. Touch someone with smiles of love. Oh, what happy feelings from such happy people. Uso Samoa, whanau mai le la.
so much.